This is Wilson from Simply Toys TV, and this is my first Iron Man Bearbrick. As you know, the Bearbrick Iron Man is one of the most sought after character, and that's the reason why you have to pay premium price for the Bearbrick Iron Man. So this is the 2022 Medicom exclusive. This is the Iron Man Mark 50 from the Infinity Saga, and it comes with a really nice black box. At first I thought these are flaws, but these are actually stars. So this Bearbrick Iron Man Mark 50 comes with 400% and 100%. I give up collecting 1000% because it needs a lot of space. I know a lot of people love 1000% because it is huge and it is really nice for display, but I have limited places at my home for 1000%. That's the reason why I'm getting this 400%. That includes the 100%. So this is one of the few Bearbricks that I bought in 2022. Okay, I'm going to show you the box right now. So on the side it says Infinity Saga. And here it shows you the photo of the Bearbrick. Okay, at the back, this is just the back of the Bearbrick. Okay, here it says that Iron Man Mark 50. At the bottom, of course, it comes with a hologram. Okay, and all the descriptions here and the barcode. So why the hologram is important? Because there's a lot of fake Bearbricks out there since this couple of years, and I'm going to open this and show you guys. So when you open it, you'll see the certificate. When you open it, you'll see the certificate. Okay. One of the things that I noticed about this particular Bearbrick is the color. It's really striking, and now I understand why the Bearbrick Iron Man is so sought after, because of the details as well as the colors. Okay, this is how it is, and this is how it looks like. In terms of color striking, and as you see the light, it bounces back, it looks amazing. This is one of the best Bearbricks I have in terms of the details, and the color is really striking. Many people talk about the joint sound, but even the fakes can do the joint sound, but these have really good joints. Here you need to check, there's a marking Marvel here, and at the bottom there's a new sticker here. This is to prevent fraud. Okay, you can actually check online on this sticker. So this is how they prevent fraud in 2022, because I think over the years there are many fake Bearbrick in the market right now. Best Bearbrick in my collection right now. I have many random Bearbricks, and this is probably one of the best. In terms of colors, in terms of design, I think this is really nice, and luckily this one doesn't come with any manufacturer defect. Okay, so this is my second Bearbrick unboxing video. This is for the Bearbrick Iron Man Mark 50. They are still in the market right now. I see a lot of people are selling this below 2000. The prices for the old Bearbrick Iron Mans have actually doubled or tripled. I'll be doing more toys reviews as well on top of my food and travel reviews. So if you have any questions about this Bearbrick Iron Man Mark 50, please do comment. But personally, I love this a lot. If you have any questions, so I'm not sure. I'll be doing a few more Bearbrick unboxing videos soon. So I hope you subscribe to my channel, If any questions, please do comment. Thanks for watching everyone. This is the Bearbrick Iron Man Mark 50 unboxing and review video.